Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Medz. I'm your health educator Tanisha Lawrence, and this is your Monday Medz. We will share with you how you can use activated charcoal paste.
Disclaimer: these natural remedies are shared as recommendations. Use considerately.
What to do when there is no doctor? Be the doctor. So today we'll be sharing with you a demonstration by Courtney and Janice Linton. Thank you so much again, guys, for allowing us to do this video. So Courtney is being the doctor in doctoring his wife's legs. They were bitten up by mosquitoes, and so we will be sharing with you how you can use charcoal paste to remedy mosquito bites. Also, this paste can be used for snake bites and other insect bites. So keep watching.
So this you have flaxseed, grind flaxseed. We have turmeric, powdered turmeric, and we have cayenne pepper.
And what are you gonna do with it?
You have charcoal.
Yes, sir.
You can put charcoal. So we're gonna put it on my wife's leg. She has been bitten by mosquitoes, and she's having an allergic reaction to it. And so the flaxseed is good for inflammation, and what it does is makes the mixture thick. The turmeric is also good for inflammation. And we have cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is basically cause blood flow, which takes the nutrients, takes the oxygen, and take whatever is needed by the cell and remove whatever waste product that is from the cell. And as you know, if you want good circulation, if you want health, you have to have good circulation.
Good circulation.
So I'm just going to add water to this.
So charcoal.
Charcoal. It pulls whatever poison, like a sting, it pulls it out. It binds with the sting or whatever chemical, and it pulls it out. So this is best to put on like overnight. So in the hot water, hot and cold, hot water now is a hot foot bath. And so what that does, if she's having a headache or if you want blood circulation, because as we know, for health, you have to have the blood circulating from the tip of your toe up to the tip of your brain.
Right.
And so Epsom salt is in the water, and what Epsom salt does, it relaxes the muscles. It relaxes the muscles. And so we're gonna put a mixture. Basically, I'm putting it on the sting, or the location where the bite, and it was expanding to the entire leg.
Yes.
And so it has turmeric, which is good for inflammation. It has flaxseed, which is good for inflammation, and the flaxseed is also cause it to get thick and not runny.
Oh.
And the cayenne, it also have cayenne pepper, which it brings, wherever there is heat, there is blood flow. So it brings the blood flow to the location. And what comes with the blood is nutrients, oxygen, and everything that the cell needs for the cell to repair itself. Okay. So I just put it, basically put it on, and then I get the wrap, the saran wrap, and just wrap it. So
And you just put it in a local area?
Yeah, so where it's concentrated, where the sting was concentrated.
So how long you keep this on?
You keep it as long as you can, as long as possible. And so she will put on her socks to keep it in place. Wow, is it the ankle swell?
Yeah.
Circulation.
Yeah.
I'm going to put it on the...
Yeah, so that's an allergic reaction from mosquito
So,
bite.
turn it for that. That's around here.
Yeah.
That was worse. If you look here, see
Yeah,
that spot there?
that's bad.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, the charcoal should do, this charcoal paste should do what?
Reduce the swelling and the inflammation, and it also causes blood flow to the location, which carries the nutrients that is needed to initiate healing.
Okay. So you just put a socks over it.
Yeah, to keep it in place.
Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.